It is pretty bad.
I drive hot cars. I'm a rock star. I see hot bras. Ride hard, stop. Swerving your bay in my coupe. Swerving your bay in my coupe.
What is up, Moni Flexx squad? And my hair is a hot freaking mess. But anyway, if you're new to our channel, welcome. And Flexx is over there on her phone, about to play Call of Duty. Call of Duty. But anyway, y'all always say we don't vlog enough, so this is what this video is going to be all about. You know, there's a lot of times where we don't do nothing. Usually Flexx is at work, and you guys already know my situation. Well, if you guys are new, I'm ill, been ill all year, been having surgeries back to back, but that's besides the point. I'm doing okay as in right now. Go see the doctor on Tuesday, so yes. But we're gonna give you this little vlog. We're gonna show you guys what we do. It was a blizzard today outside, so it's been crazy. I did get out in this morning. We went to Best Buy, got babe her new phone. Show it off, baby. What kind of phone you get?
I got the XS Plus, whatever it is.
Anyway, so we went to Best Buy. We got that, and then got some leftovers. Went over to my mama's house, got some leftovers, brought that back. My sister needed to go to the store, so I went with her. Yes, don't ask me why I got back out in this. It was not doing anything when we left to go get the phone. Started, coming down when we were starting heading home, but when I left to go to the store with my sister, it was really coming down. It was pretty bad. People were getting stuck. It was terrible. But I made it home safe. My sister made it home safe. Yeah, but just believe, if I did not need to get a few things at the store, my ass would not have been out and about. But we ain't doing nothing though, for real, y'all. So we staying in the house. It's a blizzard outside, so we're not doing nothing. We're not going to any stores. We did our shopping for Black Friday. So yeah, we just been chilling. So y'all will see what we do on a daily basis when it's just a chill, relaxed day, I guess you want to say. So, yeah. Baby got some fire going.
Oh my God.
Sitting here watching a movie. I was drinking on hot cocoa. But finished that. Had a sandwich and some chips and something to drink. My pastry. Why? Why, babe?
Oh, that's something.
Oh. And y'all want to know something? We are snowed in. Did not know today our weather was going to be a blizzard outside until we went out this morning. Babe got a new phone, and Mama was saying how it's supposed to be a blizzard. It's gonna do this, gonna do that. It starts at 9 in the morning. We got over to my mom's house around 10:30, and when we were on our way, it was raining. She was like, yeah, it's supposed to rain, then it's supposed to ice, then it's supposed to snow. So it's pretty bad outside. And I'm gonna show y'all. Look at it, y'all. Like, it is pretty bad. Yeah, it is no joke outside. It's really, 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 really cold. So babe is doing the fire. What you say, babe? Don't hurt yourself though. Don't get no attitude with me. Give me a kiss. Yeah. How you like your new phone, baby? Look, she too happy. Yeah. She said not everybody's getting her number, so don't ask. I'm gonna cook dinner, and when I do that, I'm gonna get back on just so y'all can come along my little, what should I call this? My movie slash cuddle slash blizzard outside day. But yeah, just stay tuned and I'll be back on. Whenever you can get that like started good, then I can turn the light off. I said once you get that started really good, I can turn the light off. Please be careful. Well, I'm just saying, be careful. Huh? You hit the car? Fire's going, movies on, eating some delish with my baby, which she needs to come over here, sit by me.
Can I say something? Yes, honey. We need to get you jackhammer blasted.
What you say?
It's the best game ever.
What is that? Always playing this damn game now. Y'all, let me tell you, I got her that PlayStation. It came with the Spider-Man game, and she's been playing with it ever since. But you guys always say we don't vlog enough. You know, we done told you guys plenty of times that we don't really do too much. We really just be chilling and hanging out. So, but you guys still want us to vlog. So I thought I would just pick up the camera today and show you what we're doing today. But right now, I'm about to cook dinner. About to make some spaghetti. And get this cracking. So we can eat dinner. Y'all, I kind of cooked dinner a little early. I'm cooking pretty late tonight. It's late for me. I try to cook around 5-ish. Right now it's 6:30. When they do the takedown for my surgery, well, my last surgery for my stomach, I want to eat a little bit early. They always say not to eat so late because you'll be rushing to the bathroom. So with that being said, I need to start learning and getting in the habit of eating pretty early, before like 7 o'clock. Because what I don't want to happen is me going to the bathroom all night 2 or 3 times and me not getting enough sleep. So this is my goal, and I'm gonna try to stick to it. So let me go ahead and get this food started, and I will be back on. Just got done with dinner. Making my plate in my baby's plate. My baby likes. Let me know if anybody else out there likes sugar in their spaghetti.
Oh, tastes good.
Like what?
What you in there saying? Huh?
It's gross. Baby, you want to roll?
You gross. Yeah.
You want to roll?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
I'm about to eat dinner. We about to watch a movie. Babe, you think you have a movie?
No.
She's probably playing her game like always. But I'll catch y'all on the flip flop. I might get back on here a little later, but right now we about to eat our dinner. So yeah. This is so fun.
No, I'm not.
Comment below and tell me if you think Flexx is cute. But don't get too crazy with the comments now.
There'll be none. Why? much.
Why are you so negative?
Huh?
Why are you so negative?
That's a fact, though.
Girl, you fine as fuck. What you talking about?
As long as I'm fine to you, that's all that matters, right?
Well, you are.
Huh?
I said, well, you are.
Thanks, baby.
Anytime, baby. Baby.
Listen.
Oh, you stopped playing?
Yeah, I want to play zombies.
Oh, you playing zombies? I want to play with you.
I'm trying to get the control. How do you do this on the PlayStation?
What do you mean? How do you do
I
it?
don't know how to do it.
I don't know. Y'all want to see my controller I bought myself? Even though it's not going to be used that many times. Because I don't play the game like they does.
You gotta plug it into the thing so it'll come on.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, come on, right then. I just activated it. Press the PlayStation.
Look at that light. Oh, what I do? What I do? What did I do?
New user.
Hit do.
Wait, yeah, new user.
I ain't going back and forth with you. I'm living my best life. Ugh, I gotta pick one of these. Look, y'all. Look at these choices. I don't know if y'all can see that.
I'm still learning PlayStation, so I don't know everything yet.
Baby's still learning. She's always had an Xbox. So she finally got a PlayStation because who got it for you? Who? But anyway, get back on in a minute when we start playing. You know what I'm saying? Going back and forth with you. I'm living my best life. So y'all, I had to end up signing up for PlayStation and doing all that. I'm just trying to play zombies with my baby, but clearly they're not letting me do that, and it's gonna take a little bit more time. So I was like, baby, go ahead and play. We're supposed to be taking turns.
Yes,
But
I don't know what you mean.
this is what we're about to play. We're about to play some zombies. Call of Duty. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, this week y'all gonna be seeing a couple challenges on our freaking I almost said page on our channel. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that and tune in. You know what I'm saying? Look at her little feet. Look at her little legs. Look.
Chirp away.
Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. You don't get mad.
Ow! Ow! You're digging it. You scratched me on my neck, bro. No, because you just scratched me. You probably made me bleed.
Girl, I did not scratch you.
Yes, you did.
Where?
Right here.
Where? Let me see.
Like, damn, you're pulling my hair? Like, get off.
You're dramatic.
Get off
Dramatic
of me.
as fuck.
Get off of me, bro.
I'm not your bro.
Stop playing with me. You want me to put you in restraint? Huh?
No! Okay! I tap. I'm tapping.
You better stop.
Okay.
You'll go in one.
Girl.
Can't talk quick.
I'm not one of your little kids at your job.
Treat you like. While you was doing that, you be fucking mad, bro. Stop fucking playing with me. Shit isn't fucking funny. Like, don't.
You gonna kick me?
Yeah, I am.
Why would you do that?
Fuck off of me, bro.
I'm not your bro.
You are my bro when you do stupid shit.
Look at her little feet. Look at her little legs. Look.
Chirp away.
Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. You don't get mad.
Don't bother me. Leave me alone. Ow! Ow! You're digging it. You scratching me on my neck, bro. No, because you just scratched me. You probably made me bleed.
Girl, I did not scratch you.
Yes, you did.
Where?
Right here.
Where? Let me see.
Like, damn, you're pulling my hair? Like,
You're dramatic.
Get off
Dramatic
of me.
as fuck.
Get off of me, bro.
I'm not your bro.
Stop playing with me. You want me to put you in restraint? Huh?
No! Stop! Okay! I tap. I'm tapping.
You better stop.
Okay.
You'll go in one.
Girl.
Can't talk quick.
I'm not one of your little kids at your job.
Treat you like one.
Why you make that face?
Because I don't want you looking my face. All right, now, Steve. Now you're going to cause a tablet. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me.
Oh, you trying to swing that?
Stop playing with me. Stop fucking playing. You know what?
Stop! What are you doing?
I'm gonna
I wasn't even gonna throw water at you. I was not even gonna throw water at
Your hair
you.
gonna be wet, so stop messing with
And
me.
your hair will be
Okay,
wet.
wet it. My hair, your hair, you know what it takes to do yours.
And you know how long it takes to do yours.
I won't do the shit.
Matter of fact, I'll throw something in your hair
Alright, my nigga.
for you to wash it and do all of that.
Do something. Your
So
eyebrows
stop.
go move. Alright, bro.
My what?
Your eyebrows. Don't forget we got nair in there.
I will fuck you up. Fuck with my eyebrows if you want
Mess
to.
with my hair.
Fuck
if you
with
want
my eyebrows if you want
to. Mess with
to.
my hair if you want to.
Fuck with it, and I'm telling you, you will not see tomorrow.
You know better than throw that shit at my face like that. I would have to hurt you. Alright, do it. I'm telling you, Monica. I'm telling y'all, if that water touches me, I'm telling you, she's gonna be mad. Part of her eyebrows gonna be missing, yo. I put that on everything, bro. You do that. I put that on. I put that on Jasmine. I put that on Carmine. I'm gonna take part of your eyebrow.
I didn't even get you wet.
Don't get me wet. I don't want to be wet right now. Stop. Hungry. You'll be bothered. I'm supposed to be scared. Whoa. Bro, I'm gonna throw this shit.
Girl, ain't nothing in here.
I don't care.
So
baby.
shut your
I
ass
don't
up.
fucking care. I don't want that water on me. You
So
just
shut
look
up.
at the floor. You make
So
it a
shut
fucking
up.
mess.
Shut your face.
Yeah, my nigga. Stop with the shit. You didn't want to. That's yo, you're taking it far.
I do that.
Stop.
Don't fucking me about boo. What's wrong with you?
Stop, man. Let me do. I'm trying to get some fucking food, man. You bothering me.
So you mad? I'm about to get in the shower without you.
Okay, bye. Said you want to be like that. You gonna be?
So that's how you feel?
No, you hurt my feelings.
How? How? Right. Ain't nobody hurt your feelings. Ain't nobody hurt your feelings. Anyway, we're about to get in the shower and I'm about to go to bed.
Oh, you getting in the shower with her?
Girl, no, I'm not. You already know I'm not, so shut up. So we're finally in the bed. And this is what we do. Get on our phones. Sometimes we have 60 time.
We're about to.
But mainly we always chill on our phones, talking, laughing. But anyway, let's end this video, babe.
Alrighty then. Peace out. Do.
I'm not even looking. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead, comment below. Go ahead and turn on your notification. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Follow Flexx on Snapchat, which it will be down below. I don't know why you're trying to show it when it's going to be down
y'all need
below.
to just follow the kid, like.
Anyway, It's going to be down below, so go ahead and click the link to subscribe and and follow Miss Flexx. But until next video, deuces.